Hey everybody, this is Fabrizio Cross with the Electrom, and I'm here in Vancouver on Union Street, which is a super busy bikeway in Vancouver. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to head down to the seawall and show you all how awesome the generator drive or the generator chain drive is when it comes to dealing with a busy bike path. Because what's cool about the GCD is that you can pedal as fast and as hard as you want and get as much exercise as you want, but be going as slow as you want, down to about 10 kilometers per hour. And so what that means is I'm going to go hit a super busy bike path, but I'll be able to get as much exercise as I want without going at a speed that's unsafe for the conditions, because as you'll see, this bike path is crawling with people. So let's go check it out. Okay, heading out onto the busy bike lane, so we've got to check both ways, really make sure that everything's okay. And here we go. And let's turn the camera around to get the other view. And let's speed it up a bit because it's a long way down to the seawall. Hey, here we are. We made it onto the seawall. Let's slow her down. So, pretty busy down here, and I'm just going to cruise along at about 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. That's about the safe speed right now, and I'll make my way out and into the sunshine. And looks like we've got some people coming out here, so I'll have to slow right down, but I can keep pedaling as hard as I want, so I'm still getting lots of exercise. Okay, that's been fun. Now let's turn it around and head back the other way. Okay, so as you can see, the seawall is crawling with people. It would be extremely irresponsible to pedal fast and go fast in this area. But thanks to the GCD, I can pedal fast and get a great quality of exercise and go at a nice slow pace, so I'm not endangering those around me. So I'm going to turn the camera around and focus on the power output so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's talk about the display. The bottom number here is how much power the motor is drawing, and it's 0 because I'm coasting, and it just went minus because I hit the regenerative brakes. And as I accelerate to pass, my power goes up into the 500 watt range. This number, with the SW beside it, is solar watts, and that's telling us how much power the human being is producing. We've used the solar charging system from the cycle analyst to measure our human power. And then the bottom number here is the speed that we're going. And I try to keep my speed under 30 kilometers per hour on the seawall because that's what's safe, and also that's the law. Okay, we're back out on the seawall and producing between 100 and 150 watts and going about 20 kilometers per hour. This is a pretty busy section of the seawall, so I'm going to pedal a little faster just to relieve the boredom. I'm making lots of electricity, but I'm not going very fast. And it looks like there's some folks up here who are going pretty slow. And the trail is dividing now, so there really isn't room to pass. So I'm going to have to go their speed, which we're down to about 13 kilometers per hour. But I'm still pedaling hard, still producing between 100 and 150 watts, so I'm getting lots of exercise. This is actually one of the really cool things about the GCD, is that if you're looking for exercise, you don't end up getting impatient and making dangerous passes on folks when there just isn't room. I can just hang out here, produce electricity, and wait until there's space. As soon as these folks are gone, here I go. So I'll take it up to 30 kilometers per hour, and as the seawall is a little more open now, I'll just probably keep it about 30 kilometers per hour and continue to produce my 150 watts. Oh, I guess that guy's producing a lot more. He must be a little late for dinner. Well, folks, thanks for checking out this little info session on exercise in the GCD. I hope you found it informative. See you next time.